Okay, we're going to take a look at this 2004 Yamaha FJR1300. I'm going to grab the camera and have a good close look around the bike for you. Okay, let's get a close look at this Yamaha. It does come with a spare key in the pack. It also has the red key with it as well. So what we'll do is start at the front. We'll work all the way around the bike. It's like in a metallic silver grey. It does have ABS on this. It's also got the power screen as well. So you can send that up and down with a little button on the bars. So let's get a look over this left hand side. Get a good look over the fairing. A couple of little marks on it there. It also has a main stand as well as the side stand that it's on. It does have the 3 pieces of luggage on there, panniers in the top box. Let's get a look over the top of the seat and over the top of the tank. It's got a tank protector on it as well. A little storage box there on the side, little cubby hole. We still have the keyless openers there, so you don't need to get the key out, just get quick access to the side on those. Let's get a look over the top box as well. Get a look at it from the back. Let's get a look down at the back wheel there. Look on the side of the tank. Look at the plastics, there is a little crack on it there, in the top part, small crack on that. Also got an Optimate lead there, optimise the battery. So what we'll do, we'll finish on the front wheel on this right hand side. See, it's got the fender extender there as well, bit of extra protection. So what we'll do now, we'll go and take a look up at the dash and the controls and we'll get the exact mileage. Okay, let's have a look up at the controls. So you've got your front brake, your throttle, kill switch and your starter. It's also got this little USB output there and a cigar lighter output as well on that. And over on the other side you've got your clutch, you've got your lights, indicators and horn, and that's your button to send your screen up and down. So turn the ignition on to get the mileage. I'll just show you that going up and down the electronic screen. And the mileage is 34,051. Okay, let's start this up, listen to it run. And there you go. If you'd like any more photos or videos, anything you want to see in close-up, we can do that for you and send it over to you on WhatsApp. If you want to give Dawn or Dave a call on 0161 713 3219, they'll be happy to help you.
Finance is available on this bike. We can also offer contactless free delivery anywhere in the mainland UK. There's also extended parts and labour warranty available and a 30-day money-back guarantee. You can visit us online at www.SoManyBikes.com or you can call us by phone on 0161 713 3219, or you could call into our showroom in Greater Manchester by appointment only during these COVID restrictions.